Hi there, I'm Donna Venditti from Mountainview Building Group. Come with me while I show you how I customize my Mountainview home. So we totally customized this kitchen. The wall originally would have been here where I'm standing. We pushed it out to here, opened up this entrance so I could have extra cupboard space, a servery, an extra pantry, and this beautiful sitting room where I escape from the loud TV in the other family room. Everyone knows that the kitchen is the heart of an Italian family. We love to cook, we love to entertain, we love to have friends over. I love where I place my table, that we can fit 10 to 12 people here. I have tons of extra pantry space and all my good dishes that I have on display, which I love. I feel like this is really the heart of my family home. Thank you for visiting my Mountainview Crib. If you'd like to customize your own Mountainview home, visit us at mountainview.com. See you soon.